know what, you guys? I think we need a bit of Christmas magic in July. In this video, I will put together a Christmas assemblage using some rescue pieces that I had on hand, and I invite you to join me. Hello friends, it's Tammy at Creative Girl Vintage. If you're new to my channel, I'm a cool grandma that's been rescuing pieces from flea markets, thrift stores, and junk shops for decades. I always try to see the possibilities, and I hope to inspire you to see them too. So happy Christmas in July. This has been a really challenging year, hasn't it? I thought a little Christmas project might bring a smile to all of our faces, and it's really been hard to share a smile behind those masks, and it's been very hard to be warm and welcoming in our homes for our friends and family too. And you know, it's been tough. So grab a hot cocoa, or since it is July, how about we grab an iced coffee and we'll just put some peppermint in it, okay? So let's get started on this vintage assemblage, shall we? All right, so what we're going to be using today, this is what I pulled out. I have a darling little plastic reindeer. These are, whenever you see these at the flea market, this is always a great thing to pick up for using in your crafts. I got a little bit of tree garland, Christmas tree garland, some little bits and bobs here, the top to a paper mache box, some old silver rickrack, and an old Christmas card. So let's put something together really pretty. All right, let's start out. We need a little base here, and we're going to start out with this little paper mache lid from one of those little boxes, you know, those little like trinket boxes. Now, just to save time, I painted one for us, painted it red. I use the Americana cherry red paint for this. Thought that was a really bright, good red color. When I was finished, after it dried, I sanded it off a little to give it a little distressed look. And then I always like to add my Ranger Distress ink. This really gave it like a pretty patina. So I like the whole look of that. All right, so that was easy. It's getting a little base started there. All right, so since we're working on the base, let's go to this old rickrack here. And I picked a silver color since I did pull out like some little silver little berries and leaves here. So I thought this would blend in well. I'm going to just grab my glue gun to get this started. Sorry, glob on my hand right there. Just going to do a little dab. Now, you could go all the way around this with your glue gun. Since this is a thin little rickrack, a lot of times the glue gun, hot glue, will glob out all the way around. So I decided for this, I'm going to go ahead and use my Fabrifix. Okay. And just go all the way around like so. I kind of wanted to twist up right there, didn't it? Let me untwist. Okay. All right, so we're just going to take our glue and just make a little line all the way around. This will dry clear and it won't look like that hot glue bubbling out. Okay. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button below. I am doing a whole series of Christmas videos this July. So I've got a lot of nice fun ideas to share with you. Okay, and then I thought at the end of July I would put everything in my Etsy shop that we made together. And all my links are below. Okay, there we go. Let me put this away. Hold on, you know, it's easy to get glue hand. I got it. All right. So for this piece, instead of like setting everything on top, I'm going to set it inside. We'll be working like inside of the little box top right here. And I'm going to start out with this adorable little deer, and I'm basically just going to glue him down right inside of this box lid. I'm going to do that with my hot glue, and I'll just put a little dab on his little feet and put him right here in the middle. Okay, give him a second to dry. Done. Now we have our little vintage garland, Christmas tree garland, and I'm just going to take and tuck this in all around him here on the bottom. So I'm just going to take a little bit of glue in there, grab the garland, and just stick it right in there on that glue. Be careful, the glue can be hot. I've had so many burns in my day, I can't even tell you. Okay. All right, just push that in. That. I feel like I need another little piece, like I didn't have enough there. Sorry about that. I had a little piece I seen over there, so I thought I would just grab it and we'll just put it right in there. There we go. Okay, so that looks cute. So far, so good. Now, we had a lot of our little cute little decorations here. This is a little shiny bright ornament. This one is vintage. I have my little collection here. Not all of them are old, but a lot of them are those tiny shiny brights. So I have my big bag here, and whenever I want a color, I have it. All flea market finds. Okay, so let's take this little shiny bright, put a little dab of hot glue on it, and let's just stick it right here. I'm gonna hold that for a second. Okay, here we go. And now these little pieces I have here, they're like a little silver leaf with a little glittery red berry. This was, I had picked this up at, I think it was like Michael's, I think. And it was just in the Christmas decorations. I thought it was really pretty. And what I liked about it was these things just pop right off and you can just use them in your projects. So, you know, most of the time at those craft stores, you get a coupon anyway and everything's on sale. So you get a good bang for your buck there. Now, I'm going to take a little bit of glue and just put it on the bottom and just stick that right down in there like that. Add another one, maybe right there. I know this is hard for you guys to see sometimes, so I hope I'm holding this up okay. And I think I need one more. A little glue, maybe right here. You know, you can put as many of these in here as you like. Glue everywhere. All right, so now, remember I said I had a little old vintage Christmas card here? Well, this is just a silly little Christmas card, but inside of it, it says, "May all your Christmas dreams come true." So let's cut that out. I'm going to cut that out and use it. Okay. All right. I'm thinking just popping it in like right here. That's cute. You know what would also be cute, maybe tie this together, would be, where'd that rickrack go? Here it is. Maybe a little piece of the silver rickrack right here on the end. Let's just lay that right up there like that. Nothing fancy. Okay. And then maybe tuck that in right there. So I think a little bit of glue on our sweet little deer's leg. And we can just lay that right there. I got a little extra. Okay, so I don't think we're 100% done yet. I almost think he needs a little bit more of this real pretty silvery stuff. I don't know if you can even get too much on this, because this looks real cute. Tuck another piece in there. Let's see, maybe another one back here. There we go. He's adorable. See how that pretty little silver rickrack just kind of ties it all in together there. All right, now we know we got to add a little glitter to this. Now, me and my granddaughter, my beautiful creative granddaughter, Aubrey, she is the original glitter queen. Just always use a little Mod Podge. Her and I, we always have to add our glitter. Okay, so in this guy, I thought I would just put a little bit on his antlers here for starters, and we'll just see where we end up. I'm going to use a little silver since we have a silver theme going on. Okay, that looks adorable, doesn't it? All right. Excuse my phone ringing in the background. I apologize. I tried to move it out of here, but you can hear it. Okay, maybe like a little touch of silver on his tail. It could be cute right there. All right. Okay, you guys, this is a darling little Christmas assemblage, isn't it? And it makes the perfect gift for someone, or a great decoration for your holiday home. So thank you for joining me. I wish you a beautiful, creative day, and put a smile on your face today. And until next time, bye-bye.